Luke chapter 11, verse 18. Jesus asked, if Satan is divided against himself, how can his kingdom stand? Now, unity of purpose is a powerful tool for any team. That is why God is so clear that you must do all you can to preserve the unity in the body of Christ. And that is why the enemy is so determined to mar that unity. Now, are you a source of unity or discord? What can you do to be an agent of reconciliation, harmony, and unity? Now, when we go to Matthew chapter 18, verse 19, Jesus said, again, truly I tell you, if two of you on earth agree about anything they ask for, it will be done for them by my Father in heaven. If two of you on earth agree about anything they ask, my Father will do it. Look at it for yourself. Those are the words of Jesus in Matthew 18:19. And then see the power that is inherent when just a few are united in purpose and pray. Then go find some like-minded believers and release that power in the unity that you have one with another. Well, that's it for today. Come on back tomorrow and we'll have another question to challenge your walk in the Lord. See you then.